welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see how to do your makeup, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Morphe palette, and I dipped into the light brown shade, and I'm going to use that shade as a transition color. So I'm just using it to blend and transition in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with a darker shade just to deepen it up a little bit and make the look more smoky, because I'm planning on doing a cut crease for this look. Next, I'm taking my Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills and taking the shade Cypress Umber to give an even more darker, deeper look, because as I said, I want my cut crease to stand out more. And I'm just taking some makeup wipes and just wiping away the fallout that came with it. Next, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to carve out my cut crease. And this process, it really just takes time, and I think with practice you become better at it, because I think that I was horrible at cut creases before I practiced. I mean, I don't think I'm that good now, but I was way worse than I am now. And then I'm going to take this brown shimmery shade and pack that on top of the concealer to create contrast between the shadows that I have. And then next I'm going to be taking my eyeliner and just doing a wing eyeliner. I want my eyeliner so sharp that I can fly to the gods. So now I'm just doing my eyeliner and, you know, perfecting it, making it thicker if I need to, because we love a thick liner. And Lord knows I have the lid space for it. So now I'm taking my concealer, and I know it looks like I put a lot on, but trust me, like I'm going to blend it out. I realized that I kind of started looking like a ghost at first, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. But I don't know, I just use a lot, and I like to use concealer all over my face rather than foundation, because I feel like concealer is lighter than foundation, and I don't really like to use foundation. Even though this concealer is full coverage, I feel like it was enough to cover my face with, and I'm not really a foundation girl. Plus, this is my first time using this concealer, so I'll let you guys go how it turns out. So now here I'm just putting the powder under my eyes to set, because my eyes tend to crease a lot and I get oily on my nose and my chin. So I'm just putting the powder, and then the residue from the powder like contours my face a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting the powder to contour and set my face. And after letting that sit, I want to wipe it off and, you know, wipe off all that powder and that residue and just set my whole face, which makes it look more matte. Then I'm going to take my E.L.F blush and take the lightest shade in the blush palette and just dust that over my cheeks to give myself some color and some life again, because I know I was looking like a ghost a minute ago. So I'm just putting that, and I like to put it on my nose because it makes me look cute. And I just added some lashes, and now I'm gonna put my highlight, which is my favorite part. I love highlight. So I'm just putting a highlight on my nose and my cupid's bow and my cheeks, you know, the places where you put highlight. So your girl, she needs that glow. That's why she putting that highlight on, because she needs that glow. You heard me, understand? So yeah, just put it in my inner corner to brighten them a little bit, you know, brighten the look a little bit up, you know what I mean? Like, and now I'm just going to take my NYX lip lingerie, and it's in the brown shade. I don't have it with me right now, so I can't tell you what exactly the shade is. It'll be linked down below, but I'm just putting the lips on, and I went for a nice brown to match the whole fall look of this. And I thought the lips matched really well. It's a matte lipstick, so it will stay on, and I like this lipstick. It's very pretty and it adds like a pretty look to it. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Mario Badescu Rosewater Spray to tie everything in. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!